What you doing, Ralphie? What are you doing? You know that's not your cage. In fact, the bird that's in the cage, it's not her cage either. We'll just have to see if you do that again. Ralphie. 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 Mr. Gray's coming over to check you out. Clarabelle's in the box. Oh my goodness. Well, Mr. Ralphie, that is not your cage. You know what, Ralphie? Mr. Gray doesn't even realize I'm getting him in the camera, which is a nice change. Ralphie. Ralphie. She come down. And Ruby, why are you in Chippy and Turtle's cage? And there goes a bird. Yeah. You are so handsome. You are so handsome, Ralphie. Look at how handsome you are. Hi, Prinxie. Kiss. Yeah, kiss, kiss. Woof. Ralphie's a pretty boy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ruby, she's like, I'm not sure what's happening, but I like this cage. I haven't done videos of the teals in a long time. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, baby. Mama. I have to check. So we got babies up here. Then we have a baby right there. Then we have a teeny bopper there. Mama. My Kiku. And the troublemaker. Who is probably about 15 years old, maybe more. Not sure. He sure is putting on a show. Ralphie! Maybe with Clarabelle and Mr. Gray, like, preparing and stuff back there, it's getting him... Ruby, are you okay, sweetheart? Do you want to come out? Are you scared?
Do you want to come out? Step up. Come out? Yeah.
Is it a little scary? Good girl. Yeah. Just a big crest up there. Okay. I'm at 5 minutes. Don't know what else could possibly happen that would be that interesting to keep going. Right? Other than showing the soon-to-be mommies their babies. I know, Brixie.
What's he gonna do when you put him back in his own cage?
I don't know. I've never seen him. This is a new. Ralphie, you doing your chicken? Oh my goodness. It's clear though, huh? Out of the nest. Ralphie, you trying to tell me something's going on? Beautiful Ruby. Ruby, Ruby. Look here, honey. Oh, how pretty you are. So pretty. And how messy my table is. Hi, honey. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Back it up. Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi, sweet cheeks. Okay, that's it. Anybody else want to do anything interesting? Ralphie. Ruby, Ruby. Ruby. Hi, honey. Oh, jeez. Ruby's flying around. Say ta-ta for now. Yeah.